With more than 350 original films in its library, and a rise in movie releases over the years, Netflix has sorted the excellent from the ugly in this top 5. We'll rank the top Netflix original films that are currently available to stream. Qualify. Since our video from last year, the movie must have had its premiere on the platform. We will continue to choose these as our personal favorites based solely on their entertainment value, without respect to any political or social objectives. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification so that, whenever I publish a new interesting video like this, you will be notified as fast as possible. Let's get started. Starting off our countdown, coming in at number 5 is Army of Thieves. This heist comedy film based on a story written by Zack Snyder is a prequel to his other film Army of the Dead, which is also on Netflix. Army of Thieves follows a small-town bank teller who gets recruited by a mysterious woman to lead a group of Interpol's most wanted criminals to assist in a heist of impossible crack sites across Europe. While not being groundbreaking, this film is a clear step up when compared to the lackluster Army of the Day. It's fast-paced, fun to watch but likable characters. In the number 4 is the Western psychological drama The Power of the Dog, set in Montana in 1925. It stars Benedict Cumberbatch as a domineering but charismatic rancher who conducts a war of intimidation on his brother's new wife and her teenage son. It features fantastic cinematography and outstanding performances from Cumberbatch along with co-stars Kristen Dunst and Jesse Plemons. Well, we did enjoy some of the film. We felt it wasn't deserving of all its accolades. The pacing at times is mind-numbingly slow and the story completely falls apart with an unbelievably terrible ending. It felt like it was a near waste of 2 hours and 8 minutes. Coming in at number 3 is The Unforgivable. This drama film is based on the 2009 British miniseries Unforgiven written by Sally Wainwright. It stars Sandra Bullock as Ruth Slater, who was released from prison after serving 20 years for the murder of the sheriff who came to evict her and her 5-year-old sister. Upon re-entering society, she tries to put her life back together and searches for the little sister she was forced to leave behind. The Unforgivable is a slow burn with a satisfying ending and features one of the best performances of Bullock's career. In the number 2 spot is the apocalyptic dark comedy Don't Look Up, written, produced and directed by Adam McKay. It features an outstanding ensemble cast, including Leonardo DiCaprio, Meryl Streep, Jennifer Lawrence, Cate Blanchett, and many others. The story follows 2 astronomers attempting to warn humankind of an approaching comet that will destroy planet Earth. While the satirical humor does land its punches some of the time, some of you might be put off by the preakiness of it. Also, considering it's one of the most watched films ever on Netflix, we felt somewhat underwhelmed with the star-studded cast. Don't Look Up should have been better, and that's why it's only number 2 on our list. And at number 1 is the Fear Street Trilogy. Its horror film series is a collection of 3 separate Fear Street movies released over the course of 3 consecutive weeks, based on the book series by R.L. Stein. The Fear Street movies in order are called 1994 to 1978 and 1666. While each film can be watched individually without seeing the others, the overall story revolves around teenagers who work to break the curse that has plagued their town for over 300 years. If you want a serious dose of nostalgia, and you're a fan of slasher films like Friday, the 13th Halloween, or the Scream series, if your Street Trilogy will be a fun and welcome addition to your watch list. Thanks for watching. This video helped you to find a new movie to watch. Give it a thumbs up. But Netflix original film is your favorite? Let us know about it in the comments. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and ring that bell to stay up to date with our latest top 5s and other tech related stuff here on Mr. LM.